Today we are going to learn about the most important documents in clinical research, that is the clinical study report. Many of us heard this word so many times, especially those who are in the clinical trial sector. If we are not submitting the CSR with other application documents, there may chance to get a rejection from the regulatory bodies. That's why it is a most crucial document for the sponsors. In today's video we are going to cover the following points: definition of clinical study report, guideline for CSR, documents require for CSR, in which module it is going to be submitted. 1. Definition of clinical study report. A written description of a trial, study of any therapeutic, prophylactic, or diagnostic agent conducted in human subjects, in which the clinical and statistical description, presentations, and analyses are fully integrated into a single report, as per IC GCP R2. 2. Guideline for CSR. IC E3 is the main guidance for the generation of the clinical study reports. The objective of this guideline is to allow the compilation of a single core clinical study report acceptable to all regulatory authorities of the IC regions. The regulatory authority-specific editions will consist of modules to be considered as appendices, available upon request according to regional regulatory requirements, as per IC E3. 3. Documents require for CSR. There are many documents that require generating the clinical study report. Below is the list, but not limited to this: IRB-approved documents, e.g. protocol, ICF, patient diary, patient guide, any other applicable documents, etc. Case report forms, filled sample copy. It could be electronic or paper. Generic forms, EGA form, DS forms, PD forms, any other applicable forms. Statistical analysis plan, randomization schedule, curriculum vitae, CVs of the investigators. Administrative details like investigators' names, addresses, contact details. Documentation of inter-laboratory standardization methods and quality assurance procedures if used. Statistical data, tables, listings and figures, TLFs. Any other study-related documents required for CSR. 4. In which module it is going to be submitted. There is an ECTD module in which different information is going to submit to regulatory bodies. There are 5 modules of ECTD from M1 to M5. Clinical study report is a part of M5, so sponsor has to submit the clinical data in M5 as part of the clinical study report. Thank you so much for watching the full video. We just hope that this tutorial is helpful to you. If you have any doubts, please comment below. We try to solve your problems ASAP. Your feedback is most important for us, so please let us know in the comment box so that we can improve our next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon so that you will get a notification for our next tutorial. Thank you once again.